Welcome back, everybody. With this new year, you know, it's a good idea to become more eco-friendly at home. Maybe people have this as their goal. So here with some easy ways to do this, to save you money, too, is our friend, home improvement lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery, joining us. Hi, Kathryn. It's great to see you.
Netta, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Let's jump right in, right? Do you want to save some money on your energy bill, girl?
Absolutely. Yes, helping the planet while saving money. It's like a dream. What can we do? What do you have for us?
So it's so easy. So everybody go to your ceiling fan right now and utilize it even in the winter. You don't think about it. But summer goes counterclockwise. Winter goes clockwise. What happens, Netta, is we turn our heat on. And what happens to heat? Heat rises. So by turning our fans clockwise on a low level, don't put it any higher than low or you'll actually feel a draft. But that causes all of that heat that's gone to your ceiling and it pushes it all down, keeping your room warmer, and then your HVAC unit, your heater, you're having to turn on less. Because I don't know about you, but my electric bill is like sticker shock every time I open it this winter. So all those little things help, and that can save you about 15% on your energy bill.
Wow.
Super easy to do. There's like a little switch on top of the fan, or some have remotes that you can go to. But just do that right now. Save some money on your energy bill, and then let's get to water. Right?
Wait, so low, put it on low and
water
clockwise.
softeners. Okay, I don't know if you have heard about water softeners, Netta, and the benefits of them?
No, so please tell me. Because we have hard water here.
What a water softener can do is it reduces unnecessary contaminants in your water. It basically, your hair, skin, everything's going to be softer. Your clothes are going to be softer. Your dishes are going to get cleaner. But most importantly, it's going to have your water using appliances last longer. So I've got some great B-roll. Culligan has an amazing smart home system called AquaCentral Smart High Efficiency Water Softener. It's got next level connectivity. Why I love it is you can actually connect it to your phone, Netta. So you can control your water usage right there. You can get a report. You can set goals, because we all know in California, water is precious right now. We're in a drought. So, and I love it. You've got the Culligan expert right there. Remember, like the Culligan man can help you out too, or the Culligan lady, I should say. So they send alerts when you need to change out this water softener. But I also love it too. Just less waste, less plastic. So
I have no
we
idea
were just talking about Consumer Electronics Show. I was just out there running around. I found, meet Bob, Netta. Do you love doing your dishes? No, neither do I, right? So they say that Bob will use 5 times less water than washing dishes by hand. It also has a UV cycle. So if you want to get all the particles off and put them in there, that UV sanitation mode. So just, you know, we all want to save water a lot more. And then you've heard of the monitor, reduce, reuse, recycle?
Right.
You do that at home, girl?
I do my best. I try every day. Yes, as much as we can.
So especially the reuse. I mean the reuse factor. So this is Raco 75. These are bamboo paper towels. So this is like a cloth-like paper towel, but you can actually use it over and over again. You can throw it in the washing machine. It's super strong. It's super durable. Look, here's a 10-pound weight. I'm going to put it in the water. And look, it's still holding strong, but you can use it for everything, for cleaning, for makeup. It's gentle enough for babies. So Raco 75, I just love that reuse factor. One roll can last you up to 6 months.
That's amazing.
And then like little things, like even zip ties. Like this is a reusable zip tie from Reties. I was using these for my haunted house that I built. But you know, just all those simple little things. Don't you love this bamboo?
I can't get over that.
You got to try them out. They're too good to be true, right?
We use bamboo paper towels and toilet paper at our house, but I've never seen it that durable. I didn't realize you can get some that's reusable and put it in the washing machine.
Right? Isn't that amazing? And then last but not least, look for products that use reclaimed materials. So I've got some great B-roll here of IMC Outdoor Living products. They've got recycled rubber landscape edging, nugget mulch, pavers. The benefits of using recycled rubber is not only does it look good, it's going to last and be durable. It's going to last longer. But I love it because IMC Outdoor Living has diverted 200 million tires from landfills to make these products. They use everything. They use the steel, they use the fiber. So you can feel good about having a product. You don't have to give up the quality. And then have you seen these drops? These are like these laundry pods. There's only 5 ingredients in there. But I mean, look at their sustainable packaging. It's a cardboard box that you can completely collapse and recycle. And if you haven't seen their YouTube ad, it's hilarious. It's their owner in a bathtub. Needless to say, it's hilarious. But I just love the fact that you can buy more responsibly for your house. You know, look for companies that are really making a difference and utilizing recyclable materials and using them in their products.
And people are looking for this and hoping that what they're searching for is actually doing what they say they're doing, actually recyclable products. So I'm glad that you're highlighting those. Where can people go to find links to all of this info?
Everybody should go to BeTheBestHome.com to see all of these great ways to be more sustainable this year. And it's my goal to bring more products to you. So I will be back with some more items because, like you said, we can go green, we can save green, and we don't have to compromise quality in the process, which is really important at home.
And my husband, Chris, I don't think he would mind a Bob in the house.
I mean, I kind of am in love with Bob. If I give him a seat at the kitchen table, do you think my husband will get jealous?
No, not at all. It does us all a favor. Thank you so much for being on with us this morning. Good to
Thank
see
you for having me. Always Happy New Year, girl.
Bye-bye.
Everyone loves Bob.
Yeah, Bob's a good one.
Yeah, she always got great ideas to save some energy. All right, taking a quick break. We'll be